In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Vidu Q1, the best AI video generator for creating consistent characters from text and images. Vidu Q1 by Shengshu Technology is a remarkable tool that helps you craft high-quality videos, ensuring your characters and scenes maintain continuity across different aspects of your video project. It's particularly ideal for storytelling or crafting a series, thanks to its multi-reference feature that allows you to upload up to 7 images. Now let's dive into what makes Vidu Q1 a standout choice. At the core of its capabilities are features like text to video, image to video, and reference to video functions, letting you animate scenes just the way you envision them. It produces videos in crisp 1080p high resolution, so you can expect cinematic quality visuals. Plus, it offers customizable options for duration, motion amplitude, and style, giving you the flexibility to tailor your content precisely to your needs. Vidu Q1 also comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the upside, you'll find that it delivers consistent characters and environments, which is crucial for ensuring continuity in storytelling. Its visuals are nothing short of cinematic quality, and it boasts a user-friendly interface, which means you'll have an easier time navigating the tool. There's also a free trial available, so you can explore its offerings before committing. However, on the downside, be prepared for longer rendering times when working with complex scenes, and note that prompts might require some refinement to get the exact output you desire. Now, let's walk through how to use Vidu Q1 effectively. Begin by signing up or logging into the Vidu Q1 website to create an account. You'll be pleased to know that free credits are available to get you started. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose your preferred input type. If you opt for the text-to-video feature, simply describe your scene in a prompt. Should you prefer image to video, upload an image that you'd like to animate. Alternatively, for maintaining consistency in characters and props, choose the reference to video option, which allows you to upload up to 7 images. Next, customize the settings of your video. You'll have options to set the duration, resolution, motion, and style, allowing you to fine-tune your video exactly how you want it. When you're ready, click on Generate to process the video. Keep in mind that complex scenes may take longer times to render, so a little patience will be worthwhile. Once your video is generated, preview it and make any necessary adjustments to prompts or settings to perfect your creation. Finally, with everything set, you're ready to download your high-resolution video or share it directly to your social media platforms to showcase your masterpiece. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to leverage the Vidu Q1 AI video generator to create seamless, high-quality videos. We hope this guide helps you unleash your creativity in new and exciting ways.